Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Huracan versus Audi R8. Focus on what matters: performance, comfort, costs, and practicality. I'll guide you through acceleration, handling, weight, and everyday usability so you can decide which fits your needs. Listen for trade-offs in ride quality, maintenance expectations, and resale dynamics. I'll also highlight where exclusivity or sensible engineering matters most when choosing between these two similar supercars. In this section, we examine acceleration, handling, braking, and driving feel so you know what to expect on road or track. I'll describe launch characteristics, gear ratios, and how torque delivery affects corner exits. Expect comparisons of steering precision, brake bite, and chassis balance while I point out practical impacts for daily use and spirited driving. Pay attention to differences that alter confidence and lap times under similar conditions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and fit neatly in a sports car bag, saving you time and avoiding spills after a spirited drive. They're great for track days or long trips when you want a tidy lunch. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Here we cover ownership realities like maintenance, insurance, service networks, and practicality to help you budget wisely. I'll walk through typical service intervals, common repair items, and fuel considerations for each car. Expect notes on visibility, luggage space, and day-to-day comfort that influence real ownership satisfaction. I'll also discuss how running costs and depreciation should factor into your purchase decision, between excitement and sensible ownership.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.